Guys, here we are again from Casey Nova Channel. This is Chef Casey. I'm going to make right now. Do you remember the past Thanksgiving Day? I have turkey, the leftover turkey, the one that the bones, the backbones, the neck, everything. I'm going to make turkey soup. Turkey soup. The ingredient is garlic, onion, uh, lemongrass, ginger. That's it, the basic one. We're gonna make a really delicious kind of, they call, tinatawag to nila na arroz caldo, guys. Okay? Ah, maraming salamat pala guys, yung mga ano ko dyan, yung subscriber ko dyan, yung bagong mga subscriber ko dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan sa pagsusuporta ng mga pagluluto ko. Ngayon, ito papakita ko sa inyo ang bagong recipe ko sa simple lang ito sa mga restaurant, mga yung mga leftover after the holiday, the Thanksgiving Day. All the bones like that when I was working before in a hotel. And we're gonna serve that one, they call arroz caldo, chicken rice soup. We're gonna serve this one to the cafeteria for the employee of the hotel. They really love it. Okay? You guys, samahan niyo ako. Sandali. Mapakita ko sa iyo lahat ang sangkap na my ingredient. This is my turkey, the leftover turkey. And it's my onion, garlic, and lemongrass, and ginger. Okay, simple lang. Kita ko sa inyo yung ano muna natin. Igigisa muna natin. I'm going to saute this one. And be with me while I'm cooking. And to show to you guys the simple technique of making this. We call the arroz caldo. Arroz caldo is mostly the popular name. This one in English, this is called turkey rice soup. You can make a chicken rice soup. What they call the leftover, like basically that you're gonna use the roast kind of meat, like a chicken, roast chicken, like a roast pork. You can do it to roast pork, even the roast beef. You can have that one too. Beef rice soup and pork rice soup and anything. I try already the seafood, like shrimp like that, you know. But the shrimp I oven that one. I cook in oven, and I gonna, you can see. Oh, sometimes I grill it. You can have smoke flavor. That's the best. Okay, guys, let's go. We're gonna make it happen. This one, garlic and the onion. Okay, balikan niya. Okay guys, here we are again. This is the one. Okay, I should keep first this one. I should keep this one. Look, you see that? It's very so look delicious. Okay, and then I have a rice over here. I'll put that on later on. My rice. Okay, maybe about 3 cups of rice. So guys, I'll be back later on. Samahan niyo ako mamaya. Kung kumukulo na, I will show it to you guys. Okay guys, I will show it to you guys how it works. Ito na, papakita ko sa inyo. Kumukulo na. Magandang kulo natin, almost na. Tapos ito. Okay guys, Tatawag guys sa chicken turkey rice soup. At lagyan natin ng ano, ng rice niya. Rice. Pwede natin. Tsaka tikman natin guys kung ano. Okay? Wow. Talagang masarap guys. Papakita ko sa inyo paano ko ilalagay lang sa ano, sa bowl. Ganito lang guys ha. Okay? Okay. Itong bowl natin. Okay guys, lagyan natin. Ganito lang guys ha. Masarap to guys. Lagyan natin ng ano niya. Okay guys, samahin ko lalagyan natin dito sa... Okay guys, this is the one. Our chicken, turkey rice soup. Tinatawag nila na, ano, na arroz caldo. Oh. Itong pinakamasarap guys, simple lang ginger, garlic, onion, tapos itong ano niya, itong ano sa bones niya. Nilagyan natin ng bones na may ano, may laman. Yan lang guys, simple lang, mabilis lang pila. Basta naluto na lahat ng ano, tapos mag ano ka lang ng mga sangkap mo. Ayos. Kita mo yan umuusok pa talagang ang sarap talaga ito guys. Maraming salamat pala yung mga subscriber ko dyan. Mga subscriber ko ng channel ko. Yung paki-like na lang o share, yung mga baguhan lang ng mga ano ko dyan. Mga nanonood. At saka natin tulos to subscribe. Wala namang ano yan. Para medyo ano na lang sa akin. Medyo tulong na lang para makagawa naman ko sa susunod na mga gagawin ko. Para sa inyo guys. Next time, magagawa na naman ako. Okay guys, maraming salamat from Casey Nova Channel. This is Chef Casey. Hanggang sa susunod.